Hey, hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Mr. Josias here from Santiago, Nuevo León, and I'm really happy to be with you again. Today we are going to do a very cool activity, and we are about to start it. But before starting the activity, I want to give you some instructions. Yes, so remember that I told you that we were going to have kind of like this little test or exam. Well, today is the day. So this is what you are going to do. Remember play.typeracer.com. Well, we are going to use this very cool app again. And guys, what do you need for today's activity? Well, a cell phone, right? A cell phone. You need, if you have it, it will be really cool if you had like a cell phone stand in which you can place your cell phone. If you don't worry. Just grab some boxes, some books, and make your phone be how do you call it, be steady, right, while you are recording yourself. So guys, this is what you are going to do. I'm going to place my cell phone in here, okay, and I'm gonna have this shot in which I can show myself like this, typing, and my computer screen. I will click here on my cell phone on the computer screen for it to be, there you go, okay. Because then I cannot see anything. I can see a thing, right? So we are going to go into TypeRacer, right? Play.typeracer.com, here I am. And we are going to click here on practice, okay? And guys, this is the exam. You will grab a piece of plastic, preferably a plastic bag, one that is not used because it will be like fluffy, kind of. So you are going to place the plastic bag in here. Try for the plastic bag not to show the letters. If you can see the letters, well, then fold the plastic bag until you do not see the letters, like right now. And guys, this is what you are going to do. You are going to practice TypeRacer, but I need the video to be showing me you guys typing like I am, and the computer screen and the keyboard. Yeah, so I want you guys I want me to see you guys typing and to see your screen, okay? Like this shot you are watching about me, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. Now, this is a story all about how, okay, so you see, this is a trick. You are going to make a lot of mistakes. Maybe I can make this closer, like this. You are going to do a lot of mistakes, guys, but this is the purpose, for you to know where are the letters. So okay guys, so you will make a lot of mistakes, so don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Actually, probably you will not end a practice of TypeRacer, but guys, don't worry. What I want right now is for you to start feeling and having like this muscle memory on where are the letters on the keyboard, right? Because I could just, why is the plastic bag? Because I could just tell you guys, please do not look on the keyboard, but you will look into the keyboard. I know you guys, and it's a lot of temptation, right? So let's add a plastic bag and feel the keyboard. Remember that we must, let me record my hands. Remember that we must have a finger for each key, right? So start typing and start remembering where the buttons are, and your fingers will start to remember each time better, okay? So guys, this is today's job. It's really simple. You will record yourself doing 3 practices of TypeRacer, okay? 3 practices. Guys, also, don't record yourself like I don't want 5 minutes video, okay? If you send me only 30 seconds of you typing, that's fine, but I will trust you that you did 3 times a practice, okay? A practice of play type eraser. What is a practice word? Well, when you go into here, you already know play type eraser. In here it says practice, okay? Here, practice. So click on practice, guys. And you will do it 3 times. And just send me, I don't know, a 30 seconds video. Or you can send to me a time lapse if you know how to do a time lapse. Do you know what a time lapse is? A time lapse is a video that it was recorded like it lasts like 5 minutes, but it's on how do you call it? On cámara rápida, yeah. So it lasts like 30 seconds. Okay, so if you send to me a time lapse, that will be really cool. So this is today's job. It's kind of like an exam, but also an activity. So it will be really cool because it will help us to remember where are our fingers, and it will help us to then later start typing without looking at the keyboard, like your teachers, like me, like your parents, okay? So guys, have fun doing this. Remember, this is for you to have fun while learning. God bless you, and here I am for any doubts. God bless you guys.